I'm Byte, and I'm about to take you on an epic journey through the internet, from a click to a video playback. Get ready for a thrilling adventure, where we'll travel through fiber optic cables, meet DNS resolvers, and visit server racks. Buckle up, and let's dive in. Now I'm entering the browser, where I'm being wrapped into a TCP packet. This is cool. I'm just 1,500 bytes, but I'm about to travel thousands of miles. Imagine sending a letter to a friend, and it arrives in just a second, no matter where they live. That's basically what's happening to me right now. Next stop, the DNS resolver. We've just passed through the browser, and now I'm at the DNS resolver. This is like a super fast phonebook, looking up the IP address of the YouTube server. I'm curious, how does it find the right address so quickly? The DNS resolver can handle thousands of requests per second, and return the IP address in just a few milliseconds. That's faster than I can say DNS resolver. Next stop, the local ISP gateway. I'm being directed to the next hop, and I'm a bit nervous. This is like a busy airport, with packets taking off and landing every minute. I hope I don't get lost in the crowd. The local ISP gateway can handle thousands of packets per second, but it can also be a bottleneck in the network. Fingers crossed I make it through okay. I've just passed through the local ISP gateway, and now I'm entering the undersea fiber cables. This is amazing. I'm being transmitted across the ocean, through a super long, thin straw that can carry my signal thousands of miles. It's like a magic straw, and I'm feeling a sense of awe and wonder. The undersea fiber cables can transmit data at speeds of up to 100 gigabits per second, and span thousands of miles across the ocean floor. Now I'm at the Google Edge node, and I'm being cached and distributed to users. This is like a super fast, magic library that can deliver books to anyone in the world, in just a few milliseconds. I'm delighted to be a part of this process, and I'm feeling a sense of satisfaction. The Google Edge node can cache and distribute content to thousands of users, reducing latency and improving performance. We've just passed through the Google Edge node, and now I'm at the video server. I'm being split into smaller chunks, and I'm a bit nervous. This is like a super long, thin puzzle that can be broken into smaller pieces and transmitted to the user's device in just a few milliseconds. I hope I don't get lost in the process. The video server can split the video file into millions of small chunks and transmit them to the user's device to prevent buffering and improve performance. I've just arrived at the user's device, and I'm being reassembled and played back. This is the final stage of my journey, and I'm feeling a sense of triumph and satisfaction. The user device can reassemble the video file and play it back, with a delay of just a few milliseconds, thanks to the caching and chunking done by the video server. It's been an epic journey, and I'm glad I could be a part of it. That's the end of my journey, and I hope you learned something new and exciting about how the internet works. Remember, every time you click on a video, a tiny packet like me travels thousands of miles, through fiber optic cables and server racks, to bring you the content you love. Thanks for joining me on this epic adventure, and I'll see you next time.